Navotas Mayor Toby Tiangco has long disclosed having a weak immune system. Because of it, he has been working from home since the lockdown, until this happened. Tiangco finally stepped out of the house after 6 months. His father's death was very sudden. The mayor's dad was 85 years old.
Are you all my personal?
Tiangco also clarified his dad's death is not COVID-related.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.